You're putting up real money here, and this is a real risky business, and the learning curves are insane. Content creation, product selection, optimization, SEO, sourcing, logistics, product development, ads and marketing. If you misstep in any of these areas, you are going to lose your money. All right, I need help. Richard. Launched my product 3 months ago, and out of the 325 items, I only sold 107 items. But I've spent $1,000 on ads the wrong way because I didn't know which PPCs to sponsor and how to create the campaigns the right way. So far, my product that I sold for $19.99 has made a net of profit of only $282. Hey, congratulations, you made something. Usually that first order, you don't even make money the first order a lot of times, Richard, believe it or not. It is an investment in marketing to rank. It costs money to rank your keywords. So my account is in the red, and to finish off the remaining 218 items, I have a budget of $4 to spend on PPC. So 20% of the sales price. What recommendations could you give? Richard, have you watched any of our PPC masterclasses? Like, we've got a masterclass that specifically walks you through SEO, setup, launch, growth, campaign styles, how to target the right keywords, build your listing the correct way, ad types. Have you done any of that, those classes before you tried to dive in and do it yourself? It's on Seller Systems. So Marlene just ranked it, linked it for you. sellersystems.com/masterclasses. I'd watch the latest masterclass on PPC. It's very in-depth. This is a really good point, and not to pick on Richard here. You're putting up real money here, and this is a real risky business, and the learning curves are insane. Content creation, product selection, optimization, SEO, sourcing, logistics, product development, ads and marketing. If you misstep in any of these areas, you are going to lose your money. So please just spend a little bit of time sharpening your axe before you go try to chop down the tree with a dull blade, right? Like that's the analogy I would give you. You could chop away for years and not make any progress, right? You might get stronger, but the tree is still going to be there. So we need to make progress. Go learn what you can for free. If you don't have a large budget, go watch the master classes. If you've got the capital to do it, join the inner circle. We've got 200 hours of content, and you get the support of the other members, the other 400 7- and 8-figure sellers. You get the weekly calls with me. You get tons and tons of content. Plus, you get a 33% discount on Data Dive. So by the time you subtract that, it almost pays for it. So go ahead and take a masterclass if you need to, if your budget is limited. Watch a few of those masterclasses, but in the meantime, join the inner circle if you can. If you don't have $5,000 at least to start this business, you don't want to start a private label business. This is my recommendation. Start with arbitrage, online arbitrage, start with flipping stuff, build up some more capital, and learn. Watch all the free stuff that I offer, watch all these free masterclasses, watch a free couple paid masterclasses, and then when you're ready, join. And then start your private label journey. I have, out of the 900 or so inner circle members, I would say that hundreds started by trying themselves, either from a fake guru, they saw something, and then failing, and then joining because it was painful. Don't skip the step. Don't do the pain first. Join the inner circle, right? Because a lot of those people have gone on to launch successful products after that and build up multi-million-dollar businesses. We've been doing this since 2018. I've personally helped hundreds of people become millionaires. And not anyone can say that. Like, I'm saying that with all truth and honesty, and it makes me so happy to be able to say it. But I've personally helped hundreds of people become millionaires selling on Amazon. So don't wait to join if you've got the capital. Don't try to go figure it out yourself. This business is too hard. It's like 4 college level degrees. Learn from someone who's actually doing it. Get the guidance, get your tribe, get your other members around you that are successful. Let us help you do it.